Okay, at some point I lost. Oh, I ran out of time with the last one. I ran out of time, so come on, get over here. So I'll just show you how I finished the base. I'm not sure exactly where it stopped. There's probably overlap here, but that's okay. We're just clearing everything out. This side with the herald, the other side with the manticores. And if you do it right, you should get no damage. Things can happen. All right, come over here. Manticores are clear out this side. Over here, there's a sharpshooter you got to get rid of. Okay, he'll get him. Get him. One more. All right, clean him out. Harold will get all the floaters. Harold will get the air. Right there. Get him. Okay, Manti should be done. You got to take out all the breachers. If there are any troops, take them out because they will kill your... Okay, he's not working, so let's get this guy, another sharpshooter. Okay, got him. All right, done with that. And let's see. I think that's everything. Oh no, we got a guy right there. Got to get rid of him. Let's see who will get the Mantis will get there first. And that's it. Then we can just bring in elite riflemen. All right, that's it. So we end these two. Again, no damage. Now we're going to bring in the elite riflemen. And we're going to take out... Oh, there's one. There's one right there. There's one right there. He's a problem. All right. We'll get rid of him with escorts. I didn't see him. He will kill your elite rifleman, so he's in there. Get rid of him. All right, let's send in the riflemen. That'll be cover. Our escorts will come in and it'll clear it out. So I have 3 squads of 23. Bring these guys over here while they're coming. I have 2 squads of 23. I have 115 elite riflemen total. You guys come all the way down here. Spread you guys out so that when you attack, it'll be a lot more difficult. Get these guys down here. I try to get them so that they both get there about the same time. There's no way you can perfectly do it, but you can try. Spread them out. Let's go get them. And while they're doing that, our escorts will come in. and Romero will be dead. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If I hadn't let that one breacher be there, these guys would have no damage. They won't have a lot, but they'll have a little bit. That's it. And you pick up 2 parts for the Romero. Okay, that's all it was. Send them home. Yeah, I got time. I'll show you how much damage we got. Shouldn't be a lot, but we'll see. The riflemen will get a little bit of damage. All right. As soon as these guys get back. But with the elite riflemen, you're almost instant repair, so it will literally take you. All right, they're back. Oh, 45 minutes. All right, but here's what we'll do. Minutes. All right, this will tell us how much damage we got to the escorts. 4 minutes, so that means instant repair. All you do is you just bring them in and you repair them. The 3 minutes, even with a mistake, they're instant repair. Just repair them one at a time. Literally just take you however much time it takes you to repair them. So as you see, easy way to do Romero, and you don't take damage. All right, that's good enough. See ya. Bye.